Hi ho, hello, and welcome to Nair Law. I want to tell you off the bat right here, I'm actually holding my cell phone camera. I could go all Tom Brokaw on you and get the GoPro set up, but my job is not to be, it's to give you information. It's not to be a stiff like Brian Williams or something. So let's get to and I wanted to get to my first topic. I've been busy. I know it's legal news analysis of the week, so you would think that it'll be every week. I want to tell you that I'll be back next week for another one, but I don't know. It's a high volume law office. I may not even have time to hold this camera and talk. Okay, I could make a post online or whatever, and that just takes a few seconds while you're doing other stuff. But when it comes to doing a video, you got to think it through. You got to take time, and I really don't have that much time during the day. But I do want to talk about my first topic. That would be Johnny Depp. Okay, the Johnny Depp case. I think that's perfect right now. It's very high profile. Everybody has an opinion on it, and there's no chance of winning. I mean, Johnny Depp has right now absolutely zero chance of winning that case. But it's not, and people are getting confused. It's like Johnny Depp has to prove that in criminal cases, a lot of times people think that Johnny Depp or any defendant would have to prove that they're innocent. They don't. It's a state's burden to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that a defendant committed a crime. Now it's flipped around. This is a private civil case. And Johnny Depp has to show that Amber Heard made a false allegation that he had her abused or whatever. And Amber Heard would be his ex-wife or girlfriend or whoever she is. She would have to prove that, or he would have to prove, excuse me, that she made this up. And then there's actually an additional layer here when you're dealing with what's called a public figure, such as Johnny Depp. There would actually have to be actual malice shown. And that wouldn't be very difficult here because actual malice would mean that Amber Heard or whoever the defendant acted knowingly or recklessly made this false statement. It would be pretty easy if they can if they can prove that she knew or that she made a false statement. It won't be hard to prove that she knew that it was false because she would have known what happened, either whether it happened or not. Okay, so that's where we stand with this, and nothing has been shown. I mean, Johnny Depp's people have not shown us, at least that I've heard of or seen, have shown us anything that would show that he didn't do this. So they haven't met their burden. They have to show by clear and convincing evidence that Amber Heard made this up. I have not seen any evidence, let alone clear and convincing evidence that Amber Heard made this up. I mean, there's been some stuff that she was angry or possibly made stuff up or whatever, but there's no real evidence showing that she believed she made a false allegation. And then on top of that, Amber Heard's people have provided, and I hate to go down this road because I don't think some of that stuff, whether it's text messages or angry recordings, whatever, I don't think that's related to somebody committing the crime. But for the purposes of this civil defamation case, that could show that he may have done this, or that at least show that it could prove that Amber Heard may not have made this up or whatever. So that it still creates doubt. So the state Johnny Depp's people cannot prove by clear and convincing evidence that Amber Heard made this up. Case would get thrown out. I mean, also in these kind of cases, you got to show that there are damages, that Johnny Depp may have lost some money because of movie revenue or whatever that he lost. But in a guy like Johnny Depp's case, bad boy image, all of that, he might have profited off of this. So I mean, that may be also a challenge there. So either way, this is a no chance of winning case. It's good entertainment. Enjoy, and hopefully I'll see you next week. Otherwise, I'll see you soon. Bye.